Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to download Google Play Store on your Android. First, if Google Play Store is missing from your Android phone, you should make sure you haven't accidentally disabled it. For this, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down to Locate Apps and then tap on it. In this menu, tap the search icon in the top right corner. Type in Play Store, and then select Google Play Store from the list. Here, tap the Enable option. Once you do this, you should be able to find the Google Play Store using the search menu or by scrolling through the app drawer manually. If this does not work for some reason, use the link in the description to open the website from where you can download the Google Play Store APK. Simply tap the Download button to get the APK file. Once you have downloaded the APK file, simply open APK file to install Google Play Store on your phone. As you can see, I already have it installed, so it's showing me the Update option. For you, it will show the Install option. Simply tap on it, and Play Store will be installed on your phone. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.